welcome and thanks for joining us. Tonight we're in Magical Moments, a wonderfully themed vacation home located right here in Champions Gate Resort. So come along with us as we check this place out.
Welcome, foolish mortals. Why, thank you. Let's head on inside.
This home has 8 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, your own private pool, theater, and game room. We can't wait to show you around.
The first thing we want to show you is this up house. This is really cool. You know, you can even look, it looks like they have shingles on the ceiling, and my lovely assistant, if you would, it lights up. But what's even more fun is you can come into the door here, and it's a little playroom. You have the characters from Up. This is magnificent. Before we start showing you some of the themed rooms, we just want to show you a couple of the features of this house. So of course we have a lovely dining table here. And just over here, we have a nice little lounge area with a little LED fireplace going on. Very cool. And as well over here, just a fully equipped kitchen with everything you need for you and your family. And just outside here, you have access to your own private pool, complete with a hot tub. And just out in the distance there, you can't really see right now because it's dark, but there is a golf course right there. So if you love golf, you can watch as people go by and play golf and things like that. And just over here, you have a nice table for the whole family to sit at, complete with a television right there. And right over here, a barbecue pit and a large Connect 4 game. Before we start showing you some of these themed bedrooms, let's start off by showing you the game room. So if we head right past the up house and take a left, we'll head through this door right here, which is kind of a storage area. And then we come right out here, and here we are at the game room. It's a Marvel Comics themed game room. This is totally incredible. Look at this mural of Hulk. I love this. And they've got a gaming station, so you can play some video games if you want, a basketball game over here, a little air hockey, and foosball. But what's really cool is, check this out when you turn the lights off. This is so awesome. They've got everything kind of set up to glow, and just above you, the Avengers symbol. So now I think it's time to show you some of these themed bedrooms. So if we leave the game room and come just right over here, right by the front door, and we go inside here, look at this. This is themed like Boo from Monster Inc.'s bedroom. And there's an extra little bathroom you have right over there. And I bet if we come over here in this closet, there they are. It's Mike and Sully. And as we exit the Monster Inc. bedroom and we come right back over here by the up house, take a right off to the side here. This is where the game room was. And as we enter this room,
this is the Sleepy Beauty room. Perfect to get some beauty sleep.
And just over here, as you see, there's a mural of the fairies and a castle right over here too. So that's everything on the bottom floor. Let's head upstairs and see what it has to offer. As we come up the stairs here and we take our first left, what do we have here?
It's the perfect place for your ohana.
Wow, look at this. It is a Lilo and Stitch themed bedroom. I really love this this wall. It gives you that feel like, you know, almost like you're in a surf shop kind of idea. Very cool. I love this. This is really awesome. As we exit the Lilo and Stitch room and go right next door, we have the Minions room. Look at this. And this is really cool. Look at this. You can sleep in a bomb. It's a bomb. That's awesome. And this is really fun too. If you turn the lights off, check out the moving light under the bed. That is so awesome. As we head right to this door from the Minions' bedroom, we have a Jack and Jill bathroom that leads us right to an Incredibles room. And here we have Bob Parr holding a car. I love that. And here's Jack. He just crashed through the wall. He could be anywhere. Who knows where he is? And right up top there, we've got the whole family. Leaving the Incredibles room, we'll head right outside, and this takes us out to kind of the lounge area, living room, whatever you want to call it. Perfect for hanging out, either playing some games or watching a movie. So let's head back over this way, and if we go into this room here, this is awesome. It's like Mickey and Minnie are looking out a window, looking at the castle. And right over here, we've got the Epcot ball. That is incredible, but watch this. If we turn off the lights, look at that. The Epcot ball lights up, and so does under the bed. That's incredible. Leaving this theme park bedroom, we'll head right through this door, which takes us into another Jack and Jill bathroom, which leads right to a Star Wars themed bedroom. Check this out. You can sleep either in or under an AT-AT or AT-AT or whatever you call it. Wow. Wow. We've got little baby Grogu right here. We've got the droids, but check this out when the lights go off. Darth Vader's lightsaber lights up, and you have an X-Wing fighter, and he's attacking over here. That is amazing. We'll exit the Star Wars room here and head right out here, and there once again is the lounge area. We'll go right to this door that opens up into
the princess bedroom. Look at this bedroom. It is so beautiful. Look at this mural. It has all the princesses on it. And this bed, it looks like you are sleeping on a castle. This is the perfect room for any princess.
And now that we've shown you all these amazing bedrooms, let's show you the final room, which is the theater room. All right, get ready for this because this is pretty magical. Look at this. This is amazing. This is a movie theater, but it's like you're in kind of a Hogwarts setting. Here is Diagon Alley. You've got some of the shops set up, and over here you have a mural of the castle, the Hogwarts castle. There's Hagrid just flying by right here, and look, there's a Hedwig beanbag and a Golden Snitch beanbag as well. But like so many other of these rooms, when you turn the lights off, look at that. The stars, they have stars in the sky, and then the shop lights light up. That is truly magical. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tour of this magical home.
We would like to thank Great Escape Phyllis for letting us come in tonight. If you would like to stay in magical moments, all the information will be in the description below.